Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a new website I've been using called Volkno. So this is sort of a paid to watch website, however it's not passive, it's not completely passive. However, it can be fairly semi-passive and you will see that as I go through how you earn with it. And I started using it probably about the start of August, actually a little bit later, like the 6th of the month I believe. And this is how much I've earned. It's called Flow on this website, and the conversion is 1,000 points equals $1. So it's been roughly about $1 a day with Volkno. And what you do is there's just TV shows here that they want your feedback on, or shows, and you click start. Actually, sometimes there'll be a sub option there you have to click, sometimes not. And you just love it or hate the show. It's very simple feedback. Then with loving and hating it, they have other specific options in here. You can click how much you hated it or how much you loved it, or if you were fairly neutral about it. So then I've completed that round. You have to watch the whole thing to actually get your points for that. And then you rate the video as well here. And then you can go on to your next title. And that is how you earn with Volkno. Now you do have to click next title here. And that's kind of the thing here. It's sort of passive because you're watching, but then you have to click next title. And you can just do this to earn flow. Now let's take a look at some other things on here. So that's under the Explore tab, as well as my collection. And then they also have surveys, but I usually don't do surveys. And then store, this is where you can actually redeem. And this is where I get the conversion, because as you can see, it is $5, 5,000 flow, and they offer Amazon gift cards. I know that's only gift cards, there's no PayPal, but that makes me happy because you can get a lot of stuff on Amazon as well as trade these. It's definitely good enough for me. However, you do have to verify on Volkno. It's only for US users, I believe. You do have to put in your address, and they are going to send you a physical postcard in the mail to verify. I usually don't get verifications like that ever with any of the sites I try or apps. However, they have that. So anyway, that's Volkno and how I earn with it. Fairly straightforward, and I definitely recommend you check it out. As usual, the promotion continues on the TechSlugs rewards. I'm still having 10 points for Engage Me TV videos, 20 points for Video Lab. Synced rewards is also still a work in progress for earning the most amount of Bitcoin, depending on the exchange rate of Bitcoin. You guys can check out that website as well. And then as far as other features on the TechSlugs, I hope to have something new out that's fairly interesting by the end of September, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Have fun making money.
Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.